Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be experimenting with some new rates that was given to us by one of our viewers slash subscribers. Apparently they make your drone footage really smoother and your flight experience more than what you've always wanted. Basically smoother, faster, not so fast but slow at the same time, but able to fly at 30 miles an hour but feel like you're in control. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's test out these new rates. All right, it's really cold out. I can barely feel my fingers, but these rates apparently make your footage, but it's not about the footage. Always adjust one control stick when you go into manual mode. A lot of times when you're new, you get nervous when you're touching both. You're like, oh wait, well, this feels really nice. It's about making your footage smoother, but the flight experience is not, you don't feel like you have shaky cam. You feel like you're in control. You can fly lower and slower. A little bit too slow, but it's not like you're traveling in bullet time, right? But you feel like you have full control of the drone and throttle. You could probably maneuver those, tight spaces if you're used to it. And you could do things like, let's say, see how smooth that is and slower? If you've seen me flip before, it's usually not like that. And we can go about, let's see, about 29, 30, maybe 40 miles an hour at top speed, high wind velocity. We'll just do a flip. See that? And you can do a dive. Wow, look at that. Like going about 20. Well, just remember, this isn't a speed video. We're just testing the yaw and the pitch. The pitch is like that. And yaw is like when you do like a smooth turn like that. This is really nice though. Oh wow, I am going fast. It feels like you're going fast, but not. Whoops. You get kicked into normal mode when you go too high. So remember that. It's not your typical drone where you can fly. So we're just going to put it back at about, we'll go. Remember, because you can go from 0 to 60 really fast. We're at 66% battery. So we're just going to put it into M mode. Remember, only adjust one stick. And there we are. Almost forgot about that. I think I was going like 40. And that's the thing, you can go from 40 to 50, 0 to 50 really fast. So these drones are really powerful. But remember, this is not a speed video. We're testing out these rates that are supposed to give us a nice, smooth flying experience. Look at that. Like, I don't feel like I have to have my finger on the panic button, although I do know where it is, right? Let me see if I can go a little bit further this way. I'm about 157 feet up in the air, which isn't so bad. But we're just experimenting. As you can see, the flag is moving. Let's see if I can do it like this. Maybe right about, see, a dive, sort of. Not bad. And then we'll just spin around. These rates are really smooth. Remember, this isn't the speed video. We're testing out these rates because apparently they make your flight experience so much smoother that you feel like, here, I'll show you how smooth they are. So smooth that we feel comfortable flying low and of course slower. We didn't adjust the camera angle pitch, but we have another video for that. We just, launched it at its typical rate. And I remember doing this flight during the day when I flew this, but in different rates. I'll just go out a little bit because sometimes people in joggers will come out of nowhere. So you got to be careful there. Battery's at 52%. We'll bring it in a little bit when it gets to about 30. These are really nice rates. Thanks so much. Marker Bay. No, Midnight. Sorry, Midnight Runner actually gave us these rates. Um, wow. And we can go up. This is really nice. I just want to try something. And we can go right about here. And the good thing is when you fly like this, right, you can actually, oops, see? You can actually, high wind velocity, or we'll go back the other way. When it's really windy, not the height flight, but the drone will stay level. So if I try this in normal mode, when you get a high wind velocity, you're not going to have that level footage. You're probably going to have to spend a lot of time in gyro flow trying to level it out. Like let's say, look, here it's level. And then now, let's say if you go in normal mode, the drone does that. But that was still in manual. So that's the beauty of manual mode, is that you can keep your drone in control, you know? If you're going slow, about 18 miles an hour, no need to go fast. We got a high wind velocity, we're at 40%. Maybe we'll bring the drone back in a little bit. This is really nice though. Remember, we're not going fast. We went fast a little bit ago, but the faster you go, the quicker your battery's going to die. That's the other thing. This is nice. See, about 4, yeah. Wow, really nice. These are really nice rates. I like it. I hope you guys, try these out. Let me know what you think. These are definitely, I think, the best rate for the newbie out there. Try these rates for sure. And in case you're wondering what rates they are, let's see, we're about 36%. Bring the drone right about here and pull it out. And then go here a little bit straight. So here go the rates here. We are, settings, control, remote controller, gain and Expo, and there we go. Our roll, right, is 190 for sensor sensitivity. Our pitch is 180, okay, and our yaw is 50. And then we have a, well, of course you can see we're in full mode. Our maximum rate is 550, and then our, let me just shut that off. Our maximum rate is 550, and the pitch is 500, and yaw is 400. And then we have an Expo of 65, 62, and 0.6. This is just great. Put these rates in, try it, and you will have the experience of your lifetime as the new guy when it comes to flying with rates that might be just right for you. That's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.